Welcome to my channel. Let's continue our journey on data analysis. Today we will learn about how Power BI can be useful for digital marketing. As a digital marketer myself, I can't stress enough how important it is to have the right tools at your disposal. And let me tell you, Power BI is a game changer. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, data is king. But it's not just about collecting data, it's about making sense of it. That's where Power BI comes in. This powerful tool from Microsoft can transform the way you approach your marketing strategies, making your life easier and your campaigns more effective. Power BI is like having a super smart assistant who can crunch numbers, create beautiful charts, and give you insights in real time. It's not just for big corporations or data scientists, it's for anyone who wants to make data-driven decisions in their marketing efforts. And trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how Power BI can revolutionize your digital marketing game. We'll look at its data integration capabilities, visualization tools, advanced analytics features, and real-time reporting. Plus, I'll share a case study, some quick tips, and testimonials from marketers just like you who've seen amazing results with Power BI. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. One of the biggest headaches for digital marketers is dealing with data from multiple sources. You've got your social media metrics, website analytics, email campaign stats, CRM data, the list goes on. It can feel like you're drowning in a sea of numbers. But here's where Power BI shines. It can pull data from all these sources and bring them together in one place. Power BI connects to a wide range of data sources, from simple Excel spreadsheets to complex databases and cloud services. It can integrate with popular marketing tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Ads, MailChimp, and Salesforce. This means you don't have to jump between different platforms to get a complete picture of your marketing performance. But it's not just about connecting to these sources. Power BI makes the process smooth and user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to set up these connections. With just a few clicks, you can import your data and start analyzing. And the best part? Once you've set up these connections, Power BI can automatically refresh your data, so you're always working with the most up-to-date information. This seamless data integration saves you hours of manual work. No more copy-pasting data from one spreadsheet to another or trying to reconcile conflicting numbers. Power BI does the heavy lifting for you, freeing up your time to focus on what really matters, analyzing the data and making strategic decisions. It's like having all the pieces of your marketing puzzle in one box, ready for you to put together. Now let's talk about one of my favorite aspects of Power BI, its visualization capabilities. We've all been there staring at rows and columns of numbers trying to make sense of it all. It's not fun and it's certainly not efficient. Power BI changes all that by transforming your raw data into beautiful, meaningful visuals. With Power BI, you have a wide array of visualization options at your fingertips. From simple bar charts and pie graphs to more complex heat maps and scatter plots, you can choose the best way to represent your data. And it's not just about making things look pretty. These visuals help you understand your data at a glance, spot trends, and identify patterns that might not be obvious in a spreadsheet. One of the coolest features of Power BI is its interactive dashboards. You can create custom dashboards that bring together different visualizations in one view. Want to see how your social media engagement correlates with website traffic? Just drag and drop the relevant charts onto your dashboard. These dashboards are dynamic, allowing you to filter and drill down into the data with just a click. But here's the real kicker. Power BI's visualizations are not just static images. They're interactive and responsive. You can hover over data points for more information, click on elements to filter the entire dashboard, or use slicers to dynamically change the data view. This interactivity allows you to explore your data in depth, uncovering insights that might otherwise remain hidden. It's like having a conversation with your data, asking questions and getting immediate answers. Now let's dive into the real powerhouse features of Power BI, its advanced analytics capabilities. This is where Power BI truly sets itself apart from basic reporting tools. It's not just about presenting data, it's about understanding it, predicting trends, and gaining actionable insights. And the best part? You don't need to be a data scientist to tap into these powerful features. One of the key advanced features is Power BI's natural language query. Imagine being able to ask your data questions in plain English. For example, you could type, "Show me sales by product for the last quarter," and Power BI will generate the appropriate chart or table. This feature makes data analysis accessible to everyone on your team, not just the tech-savvy folks. Power BI also includes powerful forecasting capabilities. It can analyze your historical data and predict future trends. This is incredibly valuable for digital marketers. Want to know how your website traffic might look next month? Or predict your social media engagement for an upcoming campaign? Power BI can help you with that. These predictive insights can inform your strategy and help you make data-driven decisions. Another advanced feature is Power BI's ability to perform what-if analyses. This allows you to model different scenarios and see how changes in one variable might affect others. For example, you could see how increasing your ad spend might impact your conversion rates. This feature helps you test different strategies virtually before implementing them in the real world, potentially saving you time and resources. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, waiting for weekly or monthly reports just doesn't cut it anymore. You need to know what's happening with your campaigns right now, not what happened last week. This is where Power BI's real-time reporting capabilities come into play, and trust me, it's a game changer. Power BI allows you to set up real-time dashboards that update automatically as new data comes in. This means you can see how your campaigns are performing minute by minute. Imagine launching a new social media campaign and being able to watch engagement metrics tick up in real time, or running an email blast and seeing open rates and click-throughs as they happen. This kind of immediate feedback allows you to make quick adjustments and capitalize on opportunities as they arise. But real-time reporting isn't just about watching numbers change. It's about being able to react quickly to what those numbers are telling you. Power BI allows you to set up alerts based on specific conditions. For example, you could set an alert to notify you if your website traffic drops below a certain threshold, or if your conversion rate spikes above a certain level. These alerts can be sent directly to your phone or email, ensuring you're always in the loop. The power of real-time reporting extends beyond just monitoring current campaigns. It also allows you to spot emerging trends early. Maybe you notice a sudden increase in traffic from a particular source or a spike in interest for a specific product. With real-time data at your fingertips, you can quickly investigate these trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you what's happening in your digital marketing world right now. Let me share with you a real-world example of how Power BI transformed the work of a digital marketer. Meet Sumaya, the marketing manager for an e-commerce company selling eco-friendly products. Before Power BI, she was struggling to get a clear picture of her marketing efforts. She was juggling data from multiple platforms: Google Analytics, Facebook ads, Instagram, her email marketing tool, and her company's CRM system. Sumaya decided to give Power BI a try, and the results were impressive. She set up connections to all her data sources, which automatically refreshed every day. She created a dashboard that gave her a holistic view of her marketing funnel, from social media engagement at the top, through website traffic and email open rates, down to sales conversions at the bottom. One of the key insights Sumaya uncovered was a strong correlation between engagement on Instagram posts featuring customer testimonials and subsequent website visits and sales. This wasn't obvious from looking at the data sources separately, but Power BI's visualization made the pattern clear. She used this insight to adjust her social media strategy, increasing the frequency of testimonial posts and seeing a 30% boost in website traffic and a 15% increase in sales as a result. But the benefits didn't stop there. Sumaya used Power BI's forecasting capabilities to predict seasonal trends in product demand. This allowed her to adjust her ad spend and inventory levels in advance, maximizing ROI and avoiding stockouts. She also set up real-time alerts to notify her team if any key metrics drop below target levels, allowing them to react quickly to any issues. Within 6 months of implementing Power BI, her team saw a 25% increase in overall marketing ROI. Sumaya went from feeling overwhelmed by data to feeling empowered by it, all thanks to Power BI. Now that we've seen how powerful Power BI can be, let's dive into some quick tips to help you get the most out of this tool in your digital marketing efforts. These tips come from my own experience and from conversations with other marketers who've mastered Power BI. Trust me, these can save you a lot of time and headaches as you're getting started. First tip: start with the end in mind. Before you dive into creating dashboards, think about what questions you want to answer. What metrics are most important for your business? What insights would help you make better decisions? Use these questions to guide your dashboard design. Remember, less is often more. It's better to have a few key metrics that you actually use than a cluttered dashboard with every metric under the sun. Second tip, take advantage of Power BI's data cleansing features. We all know that raw data can be messy. Power BI includes tools to help you clean and transform your data. Learn to use the query editor to remove duplicates, handle missing values, and standardize your data formats. This will save you time in the long run and ensure your analyses are based on clean, reliable data. Third tip, don't be afraid to experiment with different visualizations. Power BI offers a wide range of chart types, and sometimes the best way to understand your data is to view it in different formats. Try out different visualizations to see which ones make your data speak to you. And remember, you can always customize colors and styles to match your brand guidelines. Nothing speaks louder than the experiences of real users, so I reached out to some fellow marketers to hear their thoughts on Power BI. Their stories highlight just how transformative this tool can be for digital marketing. Let's dive into what they had to say. First up is Ali, a digital marketing consultant. Power BI has completely changed the way I present results to my clients. Instead of sending them lengthy reports filled with numbers, I now share interactive dashboards that tell a story. My clients love it because they can easily understand the impact of our campaigns, and I love it because it saves me hours of report preparation time each month. Next, we have Asma, an e-commerce marketing manager. What I love about Power BI is how it brings all our data together. Before, we were using separate tools for web analytics, social media, and sales data. Now, we can see how everything connects in one place. It's helped us identify which marketing channels are truly driving sales, allowing us to allocate our budget more effectively. Naeem, a content marketing specialist, shared this insight. The real-time reporting in Power BI has been a game changer for our content strategy. We can see immediately how new blog posts or videos are performing and adjust our promotion strategy on the fly. It's made us much more agile and responsive in our content marketing efforts. As we wrap up our deep dive into Power BI for digital marketing, I hope you're as excited about its potential as I am. We've covered a lot of ground, from data integration and visualization to advanced analytics and real-time reporting. We've seen how Power BI can transform raw data into actionable insights, saving time and improving decision-making for marketers like you and me. Remember, Power BI isn't just a tool for big corporations or data analysts. It's a powerful ally for any digital marketer who wants to make data-driven decisions. Whether you're managing social media campaigns, optimizing website content, or planning email marketing strategies, Power BI can help you do it better and more efficiently. As you start your journey with Power BI, don't be intimidated. Like any new tool, there's a learning curve, but the payoff is worth it. Start small, focus on the metrics that matter most to your business, and gradually expand your use of the tool as you become more comfortable. And don't forget to take advantage of the wealth of online resources and tutorials available to help you master Power BI. In today's data-driven marketing landscape, having a tool like Power BI in your arsenal can give you a significant competitive edge. It allows you to uncover insights faster, make decisions with confidence, and demonstrate the value of your marketing efforts more effectively. So, why not give it a try? Your future self with all those hours saved and insights gained will thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.